Aris and M, fourth week of our level 3 here at Stampede. And today we talked about left side passes. So the first thing we started off with was a basic left side, not quite passing tuck from a handshake hold. So it's almost someone's underarm turn, the hand just goes up, the follow walks under, very simple, okay? The follower had two options. Both of them involved a stop on 2. So we have 1, 2,
and 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Leaders, I can have that super advanced footwork, or, so if I don't do that super advanced footwork with them, I can try to mirror and see what they're doing for that purpose, okay? The second option was, when we make contact on 2 followers, they walk it until the leaders take it back. Now the key here was, first of all, from the follower's perspective, as we make contact, we're not pushing with our arms, our frame is just solid, we're moving with our whole body, it's like pushing a shopping cart. Leaders, you should feel this, you're gonna go with them. As they start moving, I'm gonna come with them. Now, this hand lightened up, which means it's easy for me to take the ball back, so to speak. So followers, every time you do this, you need to make sure leaders have a very clear way of getting back to leading, okay? So again, just the walk-in one. We walk, this hand is relaxed. I am now providing the stopping point, finding the other side, all right? Those were the follower options. For the leader, we have a basic roll in, roll out into sweetheart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We talked about preps. I'm just going to switch sides with you here. We talked about preps, how we want to make sure the shoulder's open, but I should have contact here before the follow passes me. It's going to be really hard to do this if you're making a really big prep and the follow's way past you by the time you're trying to find any kind of connection, okay? The second option here was a shoulder catch, similar to what we did week 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and catch, reverse. 2 triples, and we finish with an anchor and handshake hold. I'll show that from this side too. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going with them. The followers are creating this balloon to expand into the leader's hand. We reverse. And the goal was, we led both just the basic pass, and the followers had the 3 options, and then the leaders had the 2 options with this one. And we were able to mix and match and communicate with each other the whole time. Thank you so much, guys. You did a great job.
Thank you.